Hello everyone, in this episode of Programming with Pal, we will learn how to create a screen recorder using Python programming language. Our project will use three Python packages. First package is PyAutoGUI, which will be used to capture the screenshots from the screen. The second package is NumPy, which will be used to create an array of screenshots, and the third package will be OpenCV's package CV2, which will be used to create the video from the array of screenshots. Without doing any much delay, now let's jump directly into the code. We are going to do our project in PyCharm IDE. Here we have a project called Screen Recorder, which is currently empty. Let us create a new file in our Screen Recorder package. So we will create a new Python file. So let's name it main. We will import our Python packages PyAutoGUI, and we will import NumPy as np. We will import OpenCV package, that is CV2. So now let us first create a screenshot. Through the PyAutoGUI library, we will call the screenshot function of the library, and then we will just save the screenshot using screenshot.save. And we will let's give it a name image.png. Now let's try to run this program. We'll go on the terminal and let's see the current directory. Yeah, we are in the right current directory. Let's call main.py. So the program is supposed to take the screenshot of the current screen and also save it with the name image.png. Now let's see. Here we see that the program execution has been completed. We'll check in the screen recorder. Yeah, so there is a file with name image.png. Let's open it. So we see that here we have the screenshot that is being captured successfully. So let's also find out the screen resolution of the image that we just captured. So for that we will just print the size of this screenshot. So we will simply write screenshot.size. Now after that we will run the program and let's check what the size is. So here we see that the screen resolution of the image is 2880 into 1800. Let us save the screen resolution into a variable called image resolution. So it will have the value screenshot.size. Now we will create the codec that we are going to use. So for that we will use the 4cc. So we will use cv2.videowriter. videowriter underscore 4cc. So in that we have to specify the codec that we are going to use. So we will have the video in mp4. So we will use the codec mp4v, and we also need to set the frame rate. So let's have the frame rate as well. So let's take it 30. So it needs to be a decimal, so we will save it as 30.0, and then we will create the video writer object. So we will get the object from cv2.videowriter. So the first argument it will have is the name of the output video that we are going to get, that will be video.mp4, and then the codec that we are going to use. So we already have it in 4cc, and then we need to set the frame rate that we are going to use, and then the image resolution in which the video has to be written. So now let's record the screen until the loop goes till 100. So the program will run till 100. and then we will just take a screenshot every time. So using PyAutoGuide function, we will take the screenshot, and then we will create a NumPy array out of that image object. So NumPy image array. So it will basically contain the pixel values and the RGB values for each of the pixels. So it will be np.array, and we'll just pass our screenshot here. And after that, so we need to convert this NumPy image array into RGB, and it is currently in BGR format, so we need in RGB. So we will just convert it using the CV2 color converter. So CV2 dot convert color, we'll call this function, and then we will just pass our NumPy image array, and we need to change the color. So CV2 dot color, so it will be from BGR to RGB, and then we will simply use the video writer to write this screenshot. So NumPy image array would be written, and after the loop ends, so we will simply destroy all our CV2 windows. So we will call destroy all windows, and then we will close the video writer object. So video writer dot release. So our project is almost over. Let's now run our main.python file. So the program has started running. So we will just browse through our YouTube channel. By then our channel is Programming with Pal. So we'll just take a look at a few videos that we have here. We have 99 subscribers. Let's hope we get more after this. So the program execution is complete. Now we see that we have a file here with the name video.mp4. Let's open it. So it's getting opened through QuickTime Player. So we see that this is the video that we just recorded through our screen. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, do click on the like and subscribe button. Thank you.